Did everyone enjoy Adventure Day?
Yes.
Yeah?
It was fun.
And what was the highlight of Adventure Day? Beach. It was a lot of fun. I got a lot of sunburn.
Did you go outside?
Yeah, I walked in up I didn't jump in all the way, but I was out there.
It was really salty. The water.
Yeah. So, today is a special day. You know what today is?
I don't know.
Today is the day you empty the bucket.
Splat.
Today is the day we do what's called Flashdraft.
Oh,
Who knows what a Flashdraft is? Ryan? Sam, what's a Flashdraft? Not sure? Ask Tiffany for help. Ask her, say, what's a Flashdraft? You're writing kind of without much planning. Okay, and sometimes students ask, so in a flash draft, I got to write everything, the whole story in one day, this period? Yes. So I want to explain why. So think about your story as a bucket, okay, or a cup of water. This is your story. Right? This is all your ideas. Okay, all of your details, all your dialogue, all of your inner thinking, all of your tiny actions, all that magical stuff that's going to transport your reader back to your experience. All of that is here, right? Let's say it's in this bucket. Now, if we were going to do this over a few days, let's scoop some water out and put it on paper. Scoop some water out and put it on paper. If we do that over a few days, what's going to happen? Yeah, eventually it will empty, but something else will happen. You know this word? What's that mean? Yeah, it's going to evaporate. So we don't want that to happen. If it evaporates, that means some of your ideas, some of your details, some of your inner thinking, it's going to disappear. We don't want that to happen. So today, when you flash draft, you're emptying the bucket. You're getting it all out in one sitting. Later, we'll go through and we'll look at what's there, and we'll make changes, we'll revise, we'll edit, we'll cut things out, we'll add things. But today is the day where you spill those ideas onto your paper. Okay, so I have a few pieces of advice for you. First, you're going to find the lead that you like. You wrote 6 or 7 last class. So you're going to start by finding the one that you like. When you find it, you're going to go to your desk and start writing. Okay? Next, play the movie in your head. Okay, so you close your eyes. Shoot. Move over from me. Yeah, closer to Tiffany. Play the movie in your head. Okay, close your eyes. Watch those events happen. Step by step by step by step. Right? Relive those moments in your head and let your pen fly. Your pen's going to fly across the page, right?
I think I've heard of it.
Yeah, let your pen, not pencil, fly. Right? So we're not going to worry about little mistakes. And if we need to write a word in Korean, that's okay. If we need to leave a blank space because we don't remember something clearly, or we need to make something up a little bit, that's okay. But the goal for today is to empty that bucket. Get all those ideas out. Now, Are there any questions? Okay, so the real goal for today, the main thing that you can do is listen. When I say listen, I mean listen to yourself tell the story, right, in your head. Right, watch that story and write with as much detail as you can. Remember the things we talked about last week. Dialogue, inner thinking, description, sensory details, tiny actions. Zooming in, slowing down the important parts. Okay? So when you find the lead that you're going to use, you go back to your desk and begin writing. Okay? So you should be looking through your notebook now. Find that lead. Find the one that you want to use.